What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. You probably get annoyed every time you accidentally hit that Bixby button. You press it once and it automatically opens. Well, there was an update pushed out today, and if you don't have the update, you can try to see if it just pops up for you. Otherwise, swipe up and then go into the Galaxy apps. Once you have that loaded, just go up here to the three dots and then go to My Apps, Update, and see if you have an update. You should have an update unless you've already updated it, like I said, and then just hit Update All. That way you just get everything updated. Once it's updated, hit your home button and then press that Bixby button. And I can't turn this off for you, but we can definitely make it a little bit better in terms of, if you press that button accidentally, Bixby would launch. So just hit the three dots in the top right and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to go down until you see Bixby key. And now you have the option to either press the Bixby key once to open Bixby or press it twice. There you go, I press it there. So what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna hit the home button now. If I hit it once, it doesn't open. Hit it again once. If I hit it twice, you can see it opens now. So it's a lot, in terms of it not being able to be turned off, at least now we have that option to, press it twice in order to get it launched rather than just accidentally, looking for the volume key and we press it once and it activates. I mean, there's still the opportunity and you might actually turn it on still because volume keys usually press it a couple of times. But other than that, at least we have that option now to make it twice so that it enables. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps you guys out a bit with the annoyance that Bixby can be at times, at least the button that is, and I'll see you down the road. Peace.